Hey, this is Ollie again from TaskTag. I'm going to be taking you through setting up your first project today within the TaskTag tool. So TaskTag is predominantly used by people in the construction industry. It was designed by a team that work in construction for their own use before they decided to share it with other people, given how many saves it could give them in time and efficiency. So in order to do a first project though, let's do something extremely simplistic and play on my British accent by calling it, so I click on make a project, making a cup of tea. So you can all laugh at that. Okay, I'm going to make tea. You can put an address, location of where your project is taking place, and then you have the opportunity when you start getting more complex in projects of putting some different iconography to that, and also color coding your projects as you look at tasks underneath it. I'm going to put this in my personal projects, and I could start adding members of my team to the project as well. This is a task for one though, so I'm going to create my project just like that. So here's my project. If I wanted to upload a picture of my cup of tea or kettle or whatever I was using, I could do it here. The different members that are involved in the project here, and then the tasks. Now, I need to start creating tasks across this. So the first task I need to do is boil water. I can give a description of that. This is the project it sits under. This is the date that I would like to start that task and finish that task. And I would say that we're going to say that this is medium priority. That's all you need to start. You could add members to that task that you would need, and that then goes in here. If I decided that I wanted to do my next task with the help of the TaskTag help desk or another contact that I have, that could be that maybe I would needed to get my cup for the tea or my tea bag from the help desk. So let's do another task here. Put tea bag in cup. And here I'm actually going to add a member to this task. I'm going to add the help desk to get their help with it. Okay, so add member here, and I'm going to stay, again, I'm doing this all today, and let's say that this is actually a high priority task because I want to get it done before the water boils. So create my task here. What I'm then able to do with this task is say to the help desk here, hi, can you please help me with hashtag, and then I'm able to say putting my tea bag in the cup. So you, by tagging here my activity in my chat, not only will that always appear in my chat with the help desk, it will also appear when I check out what's going on, the latest thing with my tasks. So for example, if I click now into my task here, I can see that this communication has initiated with the help desk. So I can track things within there. Another way I can track is also within my activity log. So here's my list of tasks, here's my activity log. In my activity log, you can see here a record that I have asked the help desk for help with putting the tea bag in the cup. So that's the next stage in terms of looking at how you get tasks set up and how you start communicating with them. We'll look in a further on task management in terms of completion on tasks, and also look into more templates of how you get more complex elements of the TaskTag features up and running for yourself as well.